everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha and you are watching A Mouthful. Thank you so much for joining us as we prepare some holiday favorites for you guys to recreate at your kitchen table. So today we are going to move right along to a UK original recipe which has become a Southern classic. It's going to be a buttermilk pie, and some people may actually call it a chess pie, but either way it's delicious. So a buttermilk pie is basically a pie that's pretty much custard-like. It's made with eggs and buttermilk and sugar and a few other ingredients, and it makes a nice delicious custard style pie that you'll definitely enjoy on your holiday dessert table. So let's get right into the recipe. Okay, so let's get started with our ingredients. We're going to need a 9-inch pie crust. You're also going to need 1 1/4 cup of sugar. We're also going to use 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a cup of buttermilk. We're going to use some nutmeg. If you have fresh nutmeg that you can grate into the recipe, that would be wonderful, but I don't, so I'm just going to use some ground nutmeg. We're going to need a little bit of salt, 3 eggs, some pure vanilla extract, lemon juice, and we're also going to need a little bit of fresh lemon zest. So let's go ahead and get ready and start putting everything together. Also guys, I forgot to mention we are going to need 1 stick of melted butter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is beat our 3 eggs until they're nice and frothy. Our eggs should look like, and now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. And this pie is really easy to come together. All you pretty much do is just get everything to your bowl, blend it, and pour it into your crust. So we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to go ahead and get our sugar in. This is 1 1/4 cup. I also have my lemon juice. Let me just give this a quick mix. Okay guys, so that was, I forgot to mention, that was 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. We're going to use a pinch of salt. Just a little bit, don't need that much. And then we're going to add in our buttermilk. So what we're going to do is add in 1 cup of buttermilk to this recipe. Okay, so we're just going to add in the last few ingredients, which is going to be a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're also going to add in our butter. It's cooled down. Now, make sure that when you melt your butter, that you let it cool completely before adding it in, because remember, this is egg, so you don't want it to curdle up once you add the butter if you add it while it's hot. And then I have my lemon, so we're just going to grate in just a little bit of fresh lemon zest. Probably about a teaspoon's worth. Alright guys, so we have a 9-inch pie crust. This is store-bought, but you can use your favorite homemade recipe if you want to. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and all we need to do is just pour our filling into our crust. Okay, so our pie crust is filled, and what we're going to do now is get this carefully, move this to the oven because this is really loose. Move this in the oven, and we're going to bake it on 350 for 45 minutes to an hour until our pie is nice and firm. Alright guys, here is our buttermilk pie. As you can see, it is fully settled. This is actually the next day. I did not feel like recording the intro last night because the pie needed to cool completely, but it has fully set up. You'll know when the pie is ready. It will no longer have a jiggle to it, and it will continue to firm up as it cools down. But here we have it, our buttermilk pie. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to check out my holiday playlist, link in the description box. Thank you and have a great day.